guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my what I got for Christmas 2023. I'm so excited to share with you guys. People always do like the little disclaimers in these videos. I'm not bragging or whatever. You kind of are, but I think these videos are fun. I like watching them and I love making them, and you only get to do it once a year. Also, I would just like to mention, I am very blessed to have all of these things I got. My family really spoiled me this year. I was spoiled this Christmas. Spoiled. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so we had a Christmas party at work and we played bingo and they had like nice prizes. And I won this blender. I actually don't have a blender and I'm getting ready. I'm gonna be moving again soon, so this will be nice to have when I get my own apartment. Okay, and then this is like all my gifts from like my extended family. My cousin, we have some Lint mini pralines, and then this is a Hue chocolate collection. There's cashew butter, peppermint crunch, and salty dark chocolate. So those will be fun to try. I've never tried this brand before. From my one aunt and uncle, they got me a set of sheets. They're just Amazon Basics and blush pink. So those will be great. I really need new sheets. And then I have three aunts and uncles I got gifts from. One of my dad's side, we went to her house, and what's funny is things just haven't worked out, and this is the first Christmas we celebrated since COVID, which is ridiculous, but that's just how it worked out. And she said she's had this since then. It's the cute Minnie wearing masks. I thought that was cute. And then we have like this Fantasia fig pen. I don't have any of these fig pens. They're big. And then she is a partner with Trades for Hope. Trades for Hope is a company and they go to support getting women out of poverty. So she got me this bag. I think she said it's real leather. It's really nice. Show the interior. It's like polka dots. So yes, I am super excited to have this. I've been wanting to get a little crossbody because sometimes I don't want to carry a mini backpack, but I haven't had anything in between, so I'm kind of excited to have this. And then my other aunt and uncle, I'm missing something. Okay, here we go. They spoiled me. They really spoiled me. I got this Beauty Counter Plus Overnight Resurfacing Peel. I'm excited to give this a try. I didn't realize that this is like a kind of a pricey brand until I was looking through the Ulta catalog today, so it's kind of fun and exciting. Not that it matters what they spent, but I'm just like, I don't buy luxury skincare for myself usually, so it's kind of fun to have that to try. And then they also got me a Coach bracelet. I was not expecting that at all. This is so cute, and I think it's like a great size, so I'm super excited. I don't know why they spoiled me so much this year, but I'm so grateful. Oh, and then I also got a Bath & Body Works soap from them as well. It's Tulip Gardens. And then we play bingo every year for Christmas, and I won some slipper socks and another Bath & Body Works soap. This one's Ice Dragon Fruit Tea. That sounds amazing. And then the rest of this is from my grandparents. They also, in addition to the things I'm going to show you, they also give us money every year. So that's nice. I got a box of Russell Stover chocolates. These are like classic. My grandma gets these for everybody every year. She also is really into like Hallmark keepsakes, and she's been buying me this series of princess ornaments. They have like their respective castle in the dress, and this is like the fourth one. So I'm excited to have another one for my collection. And then they also gave me this password game, so I'm excited to give that a try. That'll be fun. And then, like I said, I got money from them as well, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but I'll figure something out. Alright, then I'm going to show the rest of everything else I'm going to show you is either from my mom and stepdad, my brother, or my sister. Or actually my sister's boyfriend. So, everything else is from them. And they spoiled me. So we do stockings every year. My brother and sister, we all swap with each other, and then we all help get our mom and stepdad things. So then, all my stocking stuff is in here. I did eat some of the treats already, but most of it's still in here. I got a charging cord for my phone. I actually needed a new one, so that's perfect. One of the rules we have for stockings is that you have to get an ornament. And so he got me this Stitch one. He's wearing little antlers. He actually got me 2 ornaments. But that one is super cute. I got 2 cans of Celsius. These were in the car all day, so they're a little slushy. Tropical Vibe and Orange. I did get a bubble or 2, but I think I drank that. This little Stitch figure. It's super cute. Okay, so this might seem kind of goofy, but I'm going to explain. So, he got me this little bag of Honey Nut Cheerios from the dollar store. Because I was telling our mom that, like, being on a weight loss journey every once in a while, I just kind of want, like, some cereal, but, like, not a lot of cereal. So these are actually perfect because I can get a bowl or 2 out of it, and then it's done. I don't have to buy, like, a whole box. I got another Bath & Body Works hand soap in my favorite scent, Winter Candy Apple. I love this scent. Some mini Hershey's bars. I'm gonna have so many treats. Snickers. Extreme Sour Patch Kids. This was like a little Stitch mystery. He's got a little coconut. That's cute. And then Sweetheart Ropes, my favorite. Ferrera. Actually, I got 2 of those. Actually, I got 4 of these, but I've eaten 2 over the past couple days. Oh, they're so good. I got these gingerbread cookie dough bites, which I tried. They're not very good, but I was the one who pointed them out to my mom. Some mini Snickers. I got this mini pen. They got these from like a vendor, that makes these. I got this one, and then I had a Taylor Swift one too, but I don't know where that one went. I'm sure it's around somewhere. My mom kind of had to help my brother a little bit. These like little Disney socks. They're so cute, and they're like nice and thick too. This regular Sour Patch. We got these naughty or nice lumps of coal sour cherry Tic Tacs. Almond Joy. And this cute little Home Alone ornament. That was the other one he got for me. So all of my stocking stuff. Now let's dive into like the presents from them. I'm just gonna make this real quick, just so that's out of the way. So this is all from like my siblings and my mom and stepdad. My sister got me this cute little Mickey Squishmallow. I don't have any Squishmallows, but I love this little Mickey. He's so cute. Oh, this is a Christmas present for myself, I guess. I just bought this. I bought this Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. I don't know why I couldn't say that. I like this moisturizer, but it's expensive, and Amazon had a deal on it. It was $28 instead of $40, so I snagged this for myself. My brother, I have like, these are just 2 pillows. I have like little like decorative covers that go with my bedspread, and so I just wanted like 2 basic pillows just to like for decor purposes. So my brother got me these. This is also from my brother. I got a new vinyl for my collection. We got AC/DC Back in Black. So I'm excited to have that. This was one of my wish list vinyls, so excited. And then, oh my gosh. Okay, this is from my sister. She got me this cute little Stitch. See him in there? This cute little Stitch snow globe. That's adorable. I think one of the things I love about Christmas is I get gifts that I love, but I would never buy it for myself. Like, I love this, never would buy it for myself. And then, what is this box? Get it open. Oh, she got me, I love wearing these little string bracelets. She got me this Pure Vita bracelet, a little pineapple. I love pineapples. I have a pineapple tattoo. And then my brother actually got me the same set of sheets my aunt got me. They were on my Amazon list. And usually it tells you like when someone else has bought it. But I mean, whatever. This is like probably the one thing on my Amazon list that I'm not mad at having 2 of. I mean, 2 sets of sheets. Perfect. I'm running out of space. And I still got a whole bunch of stuff, guys. These are from my sister. So we got this hibiscus necklace. It says Ohana means family. Wow. And then this Disney, it's a bracelet. It's like stitched little pineapples. 2 of my favorite things. I can't remember. These are from my sister. Under Armour shorts. I love these shorts. I've only had 1 pair up until now. So I'm so excited to have another pair. I'm actually wearing a pair of these right now. Puma socks. These are my favorite. I'm so excited. You know, you're an adult when you get excited about socks. But I'm excited to have more Puma socks. And then she actually got me, so my brother had me, but she actually bought me this stocking. It's Stitch and pineapples. My, like, 2 favorite things. 2 of my favorite things. My mom got me some jeans, which I'm so excited, because ever since I've lost weight, like, I haven't really replaced my jeans, so she actually got me 2 pairs of jeans, so I'm excited to have more. Jeans are just hard to buy when you're, like, constantly losing weight, because it's like they feel like they never fit right. This is the other pair of Under Armour shorts. This one was from my mom. I'm excited. I have 3 pairs now. And then I would never buy this for myself. That's what I love about Christmas. So I would never buy for myself. This Under Armour shirt. I don't have anything like that, but I'm excited. I love Under Armour workout clothes. And then she got me this sweater from Maurice's. And this shirt from Maurice's. It's cute. She got me these pajama pants. I had asked for some pajama pants. And then my other pair of jeans. She got me lots of clothes. I didn't realize how much clothing it was. And then she got me these mucklock leggings. They're like fleece-lined leggings. They feel super, super soft. So those are nice. This was actually from my sister's boyfriend. And I've had this on my Amazon wish list for years. But it's always been like so expensive. She got me this loungewear. Look at it. Look at it. It's so freaking cute. I wanted this one for so long, but it's been like so expensive on Amazon, and she said they found it at Spencer's. And so I got that, and I got the matching wallet. I was so, so excited to get this. And then he also got me this little, It's like a VHS case and it's got a little Stitch figure inside. I thought that was so cute. And then my sister got me this. I needed a new wet brush so bad. She got me this Tinkerbell one. I love all the Disney 100 merch. Another gift. This is probably my favorite gift. Like, if you were to ask me my favorite gift, I would say this. She got me a pair of running shoes. She got me a pair of Brooks running shoes. I am so excited. I needed a good pair of running shoes. I went through 2 pairs this season, and I could not afford to, like, go through 2 pairs of shoes in less than 6 months, basically. So, I'm excited to have these Brooks because I think these will last me. I'm so excited to have, like, actual running shoes. This is from my sister. She got me this big soft Stitch blankie. I do not need more blankies, but we do love new blankets, you know? And then this is from my mom. I actually took a picture in Target and just sent it to her, and she bought it. This Dolly Parton Behind the Seams, like My Life in Rhinestones book. I'm obsessed. This book is huge. It's literally the size of a textbook. It's heavy like a textbook, but like the pictures are so beautiful. I love Dolly. And then the last gift in here is from my sister. She got me the Disney 100 Squishmallows. So those are super cute. You know what? I saw these in Target and I was like, gosh, those are cute. I kind of want them. And I'm like, you do not need those. And so I'm kind of excited. They're real cute. Oh, yes! And I felt like I just, like, didn't stop talking that whole time. I mean, that's basically what this is, right? That's what I got for Christmas, guys. I got so many amazing gifts this year, guys. I am so blessed. I'm so thankful. And I just want you to know, like, if your Christmas doesn't look like this, this is insane. This is literal insanity. Like, my family is just crazy. We go nuts on gifts. But, it's fine. Your Christmas does not need to look like this to have a good Christmas, okay? And, like, I got some other money from my own grandpa as well. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I love, like, this is one of my favorite videos to make. It's just such a fun video each year, and you get to, you know, feel like sometimes maybe I'll do a thing where I look back on my previous what I got for Christmases to kind of see what I remember and stuff. I don't know. Would that be fun? Let me know in the comments section below. I need to cut this off, guys. We're like Minnesota goodbying here. All right. Goodbye. Bye.